Hey y'all, it's Nicole with Living Well Properties, and today I am in front of the Britton Homes build in Mustang Lakes in Celina. So they have almost completed bricking it. It may even be completed now. I'm gonna walk around the house though and we'll find out. And then I know that they've done a lot of fun stuff inside, so we're gonna flip this around and go check it out. Let's go. Awesome. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So this is exciting to see the brick up. It's a really pretty brick. The front door is in. So I'm actually gonna go in through this single car garage since there's a lot of debris everywhere. Okay. So they've textured the walls in the garage. So that's awesome. This was, I don't think this was textured last time I was in here. So they've done quite a bit. Awesome. Okay, so coming in from the single car, you've got a bathroom. Now the cabinets had been delivered last time I was here, but they hadn't been installed yet. So they are installed now. Okay, and then this is the front door. So if we flip this around and act like we came in through the front, you've got a beautiful two-story foyer, which is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that light fixture. That's really nice. And then the banister and balusters are in. Trim work is in. This is really pretty. Looks really good. Okay, so we've got a formal dining here. That fixture's in. We'll go straight this time. I know I usually go off to the left when I come in, but ooh, I like the fan. Nice. Beautiful living room, which is open to your kitchen. Oh my gosh, wow. All the cabinets are in, lighting is in, your countertops are in. Those are gorgeous. So it's got a little film over it, but you get the general idea of how beautiful those quartz counters are. Nice, and I love the backsplash. So you've got your fridge, your oven, and microwave will be over here. Pantry. It's a good sized pantry. So I love the way they did this backsplash. So that is a smaller subway tile, and it's some kind of a cultured marble, or that's beautiful, whatever it is. And the grout is coming through really dark on my camera, but it's a gray, so it's obviously not white, so it's going to look a little darker with the contrast, but it's really beautiful. And then I love this rounded eat-in area, the pop-up ceiling. And then you got a patio back here. I won't be ending it out there today since there's a lot of debris out there, but they got your fan in. So that's awesome. It looks really, really good. Oh, so pretty. And then these large windows here, letting a lot of natural light in. Master bedrooms back here. And I like the little walkway in here. Got the fan is installed, the fan and light. That's a cool fan and light kit. Not seen that before. So this plan has a little closet here, linen closet. And then continuing on into the master bath. Tub still needs to be installed, but they've moved it from the shower. So they've got the tile work in on the floor. Beautiful. And shower, which is why they moved the tub from the shower so that they can complete it. That is a really cool floor tile. I like that. Wow, that looks so pretty. So, trying to see what's under. Yeah, okay. I was trying to see what else was under this, but it's the same tile. For a minute there, it looked like it might have been that marble. Counters, cabinets, it's all in. That looks so pretty. I like the ledges and the art niche on either side of the tub. That's a perfect place for candles and plants and whatnot. Okay, master closet. So much room in here. So you've got, it goes off to the left and the right. So you've got tons of hanging, and they even went all the way up. So you have seasonal rods. You got 3 levels of hanging on some of these. That's awesome. And then your built-ins. You got more here. Ooh, and up. Awesome. And you have, of course, your 3 sets here, and then you have more on this side. Built-ins, so much. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of jealous of this closet. Okay, and then this is really cool because it goes into the laundry room, which has a sink and cabinets, upper and lower cabinets. That little door here is storage underneath the stairs. This is so cool when you see it all come together like this. So kind of goes, wraps around in there. It's a nice little thing. And then on this side is where the actual washer and dryer go. And then there's cabinets above there. So you got lots and lots of storage in this little room. That's beautiful. So as we're coming back out, there's the entry, right? So we have an office here, double door with just the single panel of glass, which I think is really nice. It's clean, it's easier to clean instead of when they have like the dividers in it, making little windows. Over here, we have a full bedroom with an ensuite bath. Fan and light are in. Closet rods are in. It's a good sized closet. Nice walk-in closet. And the ensuite bath. I really like the tile in here. It's very cool. So that's a shiny subway tile, and it's got texture to it too. Really cool. And I like the floor tile too. Really pretty. Then as we continue out, this is the 2-car garage. So as you're coming in here, you've got a nice little mud bench area, cabinet storage underneath. That's awesome. All right, and now for the upstairs. So cool, oh my gosh. I love how this is coming together. Really love it. So the first stair is gonna be wood, which matches the banister. The rest of this is gonna be carpet going up. I like how this is rounded. Ooh, and those are cool balusters, kind of modern. You have this big shelf up here too that'll be fun to put stuff in and store and decorate, keep clean. You're gonna need a big ladder. Okay, then up here we've got a game room, vaulted ceiling. That's another cool light kit with the fan. And then it opens to the media room. And there's a little storage closet there. Room for a little entertainment center. It's a really nice big open area. So then we have 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths here. So this bath kind of shared with the game room, media room area. Same tile as downstairs, really cool tile. Wow, that looks good. And this bedroom would use this bathroom also. So big closet. And then a nice open, like lots of natural light with all these windows. 4 windows in this room, that's really cool. It looks phenomenal. And then this is the final bedroom with an ensuite bath. So first bedroom. That looks great. And the bathroom. Looks so good, wow. And then the closet for this room is in the bath, which is kind of neat. It gives it that master bedroom feeling. That looks so good. So there'll be carpet in the bedrooms and all up here. And then it'll be wood floors downstairs and tile in all the wet areas. But that looks so great. Wow, this is coming together nicely. Okay guys, that completes the tour this week. We are closing in a matter of 2 weeks, so there's a little bit more to be done, so don't freak out. That said, it's just flooring and then some little things. We'll do a walkthrough and get like some of this paint stuff I'm seeing. There's some scuffs on the wall and whatnot, but that's easy fixes. They will come in here and get all that done, and then they've almost completed the brick outside. So I did walk around, and they still have some scaffolding up, so it looks like they're touching up some areas, but They'll paint the trim, get the garage doors painted, and get landscaping up, and you would be surprised how much can be done in 2 weeks' time. So very excited for you guys. If you have any questions or you need anything at all, you know how to reach me. If you guys are tuning in for the first time, I'm Nicole Roan. I work with Living Well Properties, and I would love to help you with your new construction home. So if you're looking in the Celina Prosper area, I'm your girl. Give me a call, text, email, or you can schedule a Zoom appointment with the link below. Until next time, guys, I hope you have a wonderful week. Take care and God bless. Bye.